Hi, this is Brooke from ImaginaryLemons.com. Today we are going to take you on a tour of an accessible studio with a roll-in shower at Disney Saratoga Springs Resort. We recorded this as part of our Disney cruise trip. Unfortunately, we lost our intro, so I thought I'd come on here and give you a little context and then show you the tour of the accessible room. So here you go. When you first come in, there is a closet to the right that has a vacuum and a broom, ironing board, hair dryer, dustpan, and safe. So pretty typical of a DVC room. And then here's the front door. There's the front door. And then there is also a full-length mirror, so you can check yourself out before you head out the door. The coat hooks are at a lower level, so that is helpful. And some cute detailing there with the horse theme going on. And then what will probably be Adam's favorite feature, you can push to unlock the door, and then there it is, unlocked.
Okay, as we go into the bathroom, we see the red bars in the normal spots, which is like normal for an accessible bathroom. If we pan over to the left and see the shower, you see that it has the bench that cools down, which is down right now, which is cool. Also, the wand is in a good spot to cool, and use the wand for your shower. Good rainfall shower head at the top, which is nice. You can use it a lot, but hey, it's what it is.
It's only a rainfall shower for someone in a wheelchair.
Oh, okay.
Like, look at that. Like, I mean, that's kind of cool. Like, it does me no good. But you know what I mean? Like, you'd have to be seated in order to take advantage of that. That's cool. That's nice. Cool. I'm okay that I can't use a rainfall shower unless I, like, contorted myself strangely. But, yeah, that's awesome. And it's really spacious. And RIP H2O products.
So everything at the bottom of the shower to prevent water from going all over the place, which is great. And you can roll over it, as you see. So if you need to get your wheelchair closer, you can get it closer and then pull it back out. Of course, under the sink is cleared for somebody in a wheelchair, which is nice. Door's pretty light. It's easy to move and pull open and close. So you should have no difficulty opening and closing the bathroom door. Little small kitchenette is nice. You have our tiny fridge. Hopefully it has no food in it, but no food. It's empty. So that's good. It's just a chiller. It just keeps things chill for you.
I think it's a refrigerator. It doesn't say cooler. They usually say like beverages only or something when they're a cooler.
Oh, okay. We have our toaster and our coffee, which we're going to have to drink in the morning. Microwave and a toaster, like I said, coffee maker, coffee pods, cups, disposable cups.
The world's tiniest sink.
Yeah. Now, which is under the sink, most likely we have extra towels and a fire extinguisher, which I don't know if we're going to ever need a fire extinguisher, but hey, just to have it, just to be safe. Okay. The doors are also quiet close, which means it's going to take a sweet time closing. But I guess they're trying to make sure people don't slam the cabinets and stuff closed. So, alrighty. Moving back into the main area. I may have to move the bed a little bit to get through here, but we'll see. I may just try to grab my walker and see if I can squeeze through there. The closet is on the left side of the bed, which is open. It's pretty nice. It's very spacious. Put all your stuff here for your temporary stay here. The outlets are on the side of the bed with the lamp. You can see that it has several plugs.
This room has a pull-down Murphy bed as well as a easily moved coffee table that does elevate, so that is a nice fun feature there. The views out of the balcony are pretty fantastic. It's really stormy right now, but you can see that it is quite the lovely view. The curtains do have the easier turn bars, so that's nice. So Adam can easily close the curtains when he feels like it. This is an adjoining room. There is a sizable TV as well as generous storage. And the closets are open, which is interesting, but they are a good height. There's the lower hanging and the upper hanging, and so that's kind of nice. There is no actual table over here, but there is a little ledge, and as well as 2 outlets. Wait, nope. There are outlets on both sides. You've got 4 total outlets on this opposite side. Now, as Adam mentioned, this is a little tight, so if you are a left of the bed person in a wheelchair, it might be a little bit challenging. Let's see if we can move it, shall we? Yes we can. Well, that solved that now, didn't it? So I just moved the bed, and you can see that it is not quite lined up with the headboard anymore, but this should be a lot easier for Adam to get through. And fortunately, it's not filthy. I've moved the bed before and found that it was pretty filthy when I moved it. So I am pleased to find that it is not disgusting when I moved it. There is really no shortage of outlets in this resort. You can see that there are wall plugs over here by the television station thing, and then there are also outlets and USB ports on either side. Overall, we really liked Saratoga Springs. We only stayed there one night because we needed a room in advance of a Disney cruise. So we stayed on Disney property, and then we were able to get the Disney transfer from the property to Port Canaveral, where we took our cruise. It was the cheapest room available, and so that's what we went with in terms of spending our points. We are DVC members, and so we did book this using DVC, and we did it pretty last minute, and we were able to get a studio room that was accessible, so that was pretty impressive. I think the best thing about Saratoga Springs is that it usually is available at pretty late notice. Saratoga Springs is quite large and has a lot of studios, and a lot of people buy there because of the low point values, so you end up getting a lot of availability because people buy there but then trade into other properties. Like I said, you don't have to be a DVC member to stay there. You can certainly stay there just like you would any other Disney hotel room. And of course, if you're interested in staying at Saratoga Springs or any of the Disney resorts, or if you're interested in booking a Disney cruise, Adventures by Disney, or really any travel, please reach out to me at Brooke at vacationwiththemagic.com. You can also call me at the number on the screen, and I would be happy to help you book your next trip. especially if you're looking for something accessible and you want to talk to someone who understands the challenges of booking a room when you need wheelchair access. Thanks again for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one.